Okay, guys, you can see that we're given some data here in a table, and it's of a baby rhinoceros's feeding schedule over so many weeks and what the percent of body mass is for that baby rhinoceros. Now it says, what is the best prediction of the percentage of baby rhinoceros's body mass that should be used to determine the amount of food given at each feeding when it is 30 weeks old? So we're making a prediction. So in order to make a prediction, we first need to do what's called a linear regression in the calculator. Okay? So get your calculator out, and what we're going to do is we're going to first type in all of this data into our calculator. So I'm going to pull the calculator up. Here it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Lists and Spreadsheets, which is right here, where it says A, we're going to type X. Where it says B, we're going to type Y, and then I'm going to start typing in the data in the table. So we've got 1. Keep in mind that the X's are on the top because it is a horizontal table, and then the Y's are on the bottom. So I have just typed in all of my X's, and now I'm going to go up and type in my Y's. 20, 19.5, 17, 15, 14, 13.5, okay, so once you've got all of your data in, we can get a linear regression by hitting the buttons Menu, number 4, Statistics, number 1, Stat Calculations, and then we go down and choose number 3, Linear Regression. For X list, we type the letter X, and for Y list, we type the letter Y, and then we just scroll down until we get to OK and hit Enter. So you can see right here we have our M and our B if we wanted to write a table, if we want to actually write an equation from the table, but we're trying to make a prediction. So from here, to make a prediction, we hit Control-T to make a table. So I'm going to hit the Control button and then the letter T, and I'm going to choose F1. So you can see at 1 week what the prediction would be, at 2 weeks, at 3 weeks, at 4 weeks. So we want to know what the prediction is for the body mass at 30 weeks. So you would just need to scroll all the way down to 30 to find that prediction. Okay, good luck on this one, guys.